Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of whether SoFi is a bank or a financial services company. SoFi, or Social Finance Incorporated, started as a financial services company focused on student loan refinancing. However, in 2022, SoFi received a national bank charter after acquiring Golden Pacific Bancorp. This was a major turning point for the company. With this charter, SoFi became a legitimate bank, supervised by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency and the Federal Reserve. This means it can now function like a traditional bank by accepting deposits and directly funding loans with that money. This move has allowed SoFi to reduce its reliance on external capital markets and to offer more competitive rates. Even though it's a bank, SoFi still operates with a financial services company mindset. It maintains a financial supermarket model, offering a broad range of products beyond traditional banking. This includes personal loans, home loans, and investment services, all in one integrated digital platform. So, the answer is both. SoFi is a national bank, but it continues to operate as a financial services company, offering a wide variety of financial products and services to its members. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.